Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we'll be looking at seeing if you can just model an F-15 Eagle just by using forms. And I'm not going to go and show you guys how to model this unless there's enough interest in it, but I just want to show you what can be done just by using forms. And pretty much, this was done just with forms. Let me turn the sketches off here. Okay, this was done mainly just by using forms. These intakes were done by using some sketches and like that, but pretty much the rest of this is just all forms, as we can see here. So let's go ahead and turn some things off and have a closer look at this thing. So that's the part of the canopy there. Okay, here, turn off a lot of stuff here. Okay, this looks good enough here. As you can see, this main center was done with a form here. Turn on the canvases. And you can see that. Done with a form. Then use sketches to cut this off here. Just use sketch and sketch a line here to cut this off. And then to sketch these in here and then split all this up. Very simple to do. You should be able to do that very easily. So that's how we got that center there. Okay. Now here is the engine, one of the engines. Again. We can see this here. And that's how we got that. And like I said, if there's enough interest, I will show you guys how to do this. And there's the right engine there. It's just mirrored. Okay, then we have the intake here. And we can see that this is just the another form. So it's this here. And you can see that's just a form there. And then once this was done, that was just mirrored over to the other side. Now the intake was not done with the form, it was just done with some sketches, just this back here, and then the lines here, And that's pretty much it. Not much of that. And then it was mirrored to the other side. Then we have the, I don't know what you call it, a strake here. And this was done with the form also. Then it was just thickened to make it a solid body. And then a vertical stab. Just a few sketches to do this. It's just one down here on the bottom, and then another sketch up here for how this comes up. Not difficult to do. Then we have the wing. Again, simple to do. And pretty much that's it. How to do this. Let me turn this smaller. So yeah. So this is what you can do with forms. You just have to think about how you want to do it to get things to look good. Now, this is not anywhere near perfect or anything like this, but this is semi-scale. You look at this and you know what it is right out the bat. You know, it's an F-15. And a lot of Russian jets, I believe it's a Foxbat. You can model it the same way as this is done here using forms. And like I said, there's a lot of planes that you can model just using forms, because surface modeling, some people have a lot of trouble with it. And to keep things simple, you can use forms. Just think about the shape that you want and creating that shape with a form. But as you can see, this is not that difficult to do at all. So let's go back, roll this back here. And you can see that's how that is done. And like I said, if I get enough interest, I will show you guys how to do this step by step. And this is not hard to do. You should be able to figure it out just from what I showed you here. So just take each thing, do this center section here with the form. Then come back and use a form to model these, this right here, the intake and the engine right here. And then use another form to get the roundness in here. And then the wings are just straightforward like you normally do. And this intake here, what you want to do, you want to put a plane over here and a plane over on the other side. How I did this, put a plane and a plane, and then sketch this on the plane, and then you can just loft between the two. Another way you could do this also is just sketch this on the plane and then extrude this over and then hollow this out. Before you hollow it out, go ahead and shape it to the shape that you want and then hollow it out. And you could do it that way too. Nothing difficult. And then these back here, and you put your profile here of what you're going to do for the stab back here, and then you sketch the lines here, and then you can extrude this out. Then you put your profile of the airfoil on this one, and then do the same thing like you did here. Follow what you just did, and that's not difficult to do at all either. But this looks really good. And like I said, this is not perfect, but it gives you a semi-scale aircraft. And you know exactly what this is when you see it. You know this is an F-15. So yeah. But anyway, that's going to do it for this short little video. And if you have any questions about this or anything on my channel, just leave them down in the comments or contact me on my Facebook group or my Patreon site. Both are called Cad Build Fly RC. And if you can become a paid member on my Patreon site, you'll have access to a lot of stuff that I show you how to model here on my channel. Will be over there. So yeah, but anyway, that's going to do it for this short little video, and I will catch you in the next one.
Subscribe for more.